Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha from Nesiya Crochet, and since many of you asked for the pair of shoes tutorial for this complete set, so I decided to make one. And for this we need baby yarn, woolen yarn, and we would be using 3.0 mm hook, and I've already and we would be needing pair of scissors as well. And this cute button I'm using, you can use any choice of button you want. And for this shoe, we will begin with chain 10. I have already made one shoe, and I will show you how to make the another one. So we will start with chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Alright, skip one, and in second chain we will do 2 half double crochet. So for this shoe we are going to work half double crochets only. So in second chain we will do 2 half double crochets, and in next 7 chains we will do 1 half double crochet in each of the 7 chains. And after doing this 7 chain, after working the 7 chains half double crochet in each of the 7 chain, we would be left with one last chain, and for that we would do 6 half double crochet in the last chain. So 10 chains we will make, skip one. In second chain we will do 2 half double crochet. In next 7 chains we will do 1 half double crochet each, and in the last chain we will do 6 half double crochets. Now we will repeat the 7 chains, 7 half double crochet into the next 7 stitches. Alright, and then we would be left with one last stitch for this row. In that we will do 2 half double crochets, and then we will join the row to the first stitch with a slip knot. Alright, so done with first row, and join it with a slip knot like this, and begin with second row with chain 1. In the same stitch we will do 2 half double crochets, and in second stitch also we will do 2 half double crochets. Now in next 7 stitches we will do 1 half double crochet each. Once done with 1 half double crochet into the next 7 chains, we will do 2 half double crochet into the next 6 stitches. 2 half double crochet in each into next 6 stitches. Now in next 7 stitches we will again do 1 half double crochet each, and we would be left with last 2 chains. So in these 2 stitches we would do 2 half double crochet each. In each of this stitch we will do 2 half double crochets. Alright, and then we can join our last stitch to the first one with a slip knot. For third row, begin with chain 1 and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. In second stitch we will do 1 half double crochet, and then in next stitch we will do 2 half double crochet, and again 1 half double crochet. Now in next 7 stitches again we will do 1 half double crochet each. So we started with 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, then 1 half double crochet, then 2, then 1, and then 7, like one half double crochet into the next 7 stitches. Now once done with 7 stitches, we will do 2 half double crochet, and into the next chain we will do 1 half double crochet. Like after 7 stitches, in which we did 1 half double crochets, in the 8th stitch we will do 2 half double crochets, and in the next stitch we will do 1 half double crochet. So this pattern will follow total 6 times. Next 5, like for next 5 times also we'll follow the same pattern. So likewise we'll cover 12 stitches. The pattern is 2 half double crochets and 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet. So likewise we'll do this total 6 times. Once done with the total 6 sets, we will repeat the 7 stitches. Like in next 7 stitches we will do 1 half double crochet each. Now in these 7 stitches we will do 1 half double crochet each, and at the end we should be left with 4 stitches. Alright, and then we will follow the same pattern we followed at the time of starting this row. We will do, after 7 stitches we will do 2 half double crochet, then 1 half double crochet, then in next stitch 2 half double crochet, and then in last stitch 1 half double crochet. Alright, I hope you are understanding the pattern. So we are just repeating the one side stitch to the next side. Okay, 2 half double crochet, and in last stitch 1 half double crochet, and then join the stitch with the first one with a slip knot. Alright, so we are done with the sole of the shoe, and also we are making this for newborn baby 0 to 3 months. So done with the shoe, and now we will do the 4th row. We have just made the sole of the shoe. Now we will make the upper part of the shoe. For that we will do 1 half double crochet into the back loops only. In each of the stitch we will do 1 half double crochet into the back loops only. We will leave the front loop and we will work in the back loop only. And we should be having, at the end of this round, we should be having total 44 half double crochets. I am done with all the half double crochets, and we can join it with a slip knot. For next row, chain 1 and do 16 half double crochets into the next 16 stitches. So in starting 16 stitches we will do 1 half double crochet each. So here I am done with 16 stitches, and after doing 16 stitches we will do half double crochet decrease stitch. Now we will do decrease stitch, half double crochet decrease stitch, just like the way I am doing. You can follow the same method. We will take 2 stitches together and do a decrease stitch of half double crochet. So we will do this in total of 6 times, but the set would be half double crochet decrease, and in next stitch 1 half double crochet, again half double crochet decrease stitch, and 1 half double crochet in next stitch. So this set we will follow total 6 times. This is the 3rd time I am doing. Now I will do 3 more times. Half double crochet decrease stitch, and in next stitch half double crochet. Now half double crochet decrease stitch, and in next stitch 1 half double crochet, again half double crochet decrease stitch, and 1 half double crochet. Now we should be left with 10 more stitches, and in these stitches we will do half double crochet in each of the stitch. Once done with this row, we will join this last stitch to the first one with a slip knot, and for row 6th we will do chain 1 and we will begin with chain 1, and in next 15 stitches we will work 1 half double crochet in each of the stitch. Alright, done with the 15 stitches. Now we will do for next 12 stitches we will make 6 sets of double crochet decrease, not half double crochet decrease, but we will do double crochet decrease. Just like I am doing, you can follow the same step. Take 2 stitches together and make 1 double crochet combining 2 stitches, so it will be counted as 1 double crochet decrease stitch. We will repeat this total 6 times, and then once we are done with 6 double crochet decrease stitch, we will do 9 half double crochet in next 9 stitches, and then join the stitch to the first one with a slip knot. Now for row 7 and the final row, we will work 1 single crochet in each of the stitch, and then join the row at the end with a slip knot and cut the thread. Now done with the shoe, secure the thread inside the shoe, and now we will make the little strap for the shoe, just like I have done for the another pair. In the center we will begin from the center, and we will attach our yarn and make 12 chains. Attach our yarn and make 12 chain. Now skip 2 and make 1 double crochet in each of the chain. Skip 2 and work 1 double crochet in each of the chains. So we should be having total 10 double crochets at the end of this strip. Once you reach the end of this strip, we can just skip 1 stitch on the shoe, and in the next stitch we can join our yarn and cut the thread after doing 1 slip knot, and the beginning thread and the end of the thread we can just tie them with 2 or 3 strong knots, and then remaining thread either you can secure it inside the shoe or you can just cut the remaining threads. Alright, so our shoe is ready. We just need to attach the button to it. I am using this flower button. You can use any button that you have. And after attaching it, you can just close this strap to the button in any of the hole between the 2 stitches. So just like this, we are done with the shoe making for a newborn baby, that like 0 to 3 months old baby. And I am doing a little boundary also at the sole of the shoe, so that it will give a proper shape to the shoe, right? So we will work in the back loop that we left at the time we started our 4th row. So in this back loop we will do 1 single crochet in each of the back loop, right? And at the end of the row we will just join the last stitch to the first one with a slip knot and cut the thread. So it will give a boundary to the shoe and give a proper finishing to the shoe. So done with the boundary, and the final shoe looks like this. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.